Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the OXO-HydroFlask Housewares Product Compliance Database to make it easier to manage compliance for HydroFlask and OXO products. Let's take a look at an existing product. If we go to Products and then we open the 12-inch coffee mug black and we go to the compliance requirements of that product, we will see a whole bunch of those requirements. Now, these were typed in one by one, and every time one was typed in, a corresponding compliance test was created and put here. Now, that test was, of course, not completed, and each one of those records had a bunch of blank entries, which later were filled out as tests were conducted. The result is that if we look at the compliance requirements, we see that the two compliance markets for this product are Europe and USA. So if we go back into compliance testing for this product, we have the option to generate the certificate of conformity for the United States, which we do, and there it is. We then further have the ability to export it to PDF or export this document to Word. If we go back, we also have the ability to generate a certificate of conformity for the EU, and there it is in exactly the right format. Now, the real area where this shines is in creating compliance-related products. Let's go back to the products, and we could see that we still have our coffee mug. Let's look at it quickly and notice that we have our coffee mug, and I'm going to copy the name of that without the color. I'm going to note that the brand and the team must be consistent. Also, the product category and subcategory have to be consistent. So we have HydroFlask, hard goods, coffee mug, and we can note that the item number is M12001. Let's make a compliance-related product. We'll go back to our products and we'll say add. We'll give it a name and we'll say blue instead of black. I don't have a photo or an image at this point. I'll say this is HydroFlask. That must match up. I will give it a team, and the team, as we saw earlier, is hard goods. I'm going to select the category, also hard goods. And a subcategory, which is coffee mug. The item is going to be M12002. And I'm going to define a compliance-related product. Remember, we have not designated materials. We haven't designated anything for this. Normally, we'd have to designate materials from scratch, everything. But in this case, we're going to say that we're related to M12001, which was the black coffee mug. And we're going to say that this is an active product. Kind of important. And I'm just going to save this item as is. And here we are. We can notice that along the top, more tabs have opened. Let's look at the materials. We now have the same materials that we had for the other product. We also have the same compliance requirements. They've all been copied over, and the compliance testing has also been copied over. Let's take note of certain differences between the original record and this new blue coffee mug. If we look at the original record and we look at the black coffee mug and we go to the materials, we notice that all of the parts, all of the materials here have material colors. It is assumed that generally when we create a compliance-related item, that these items are likely to have different colors. And so lo and behold, if we do come to our new blue coffee mug and we go to materials, we find that the material colors are blank. They can be filled in, they can be corrected. All one needs to do is edit this screen and enter whatever color you want for each of these items. The rest remains the same.
I hope that this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.